Hi everyone, welcome to my blog. My name is Arnold Ilangan Jr. and today I want to share a little bit about myself so you can get to know me better. I was born on July 1, 2008 in Igang-Igang, Batarasa, Palawan, a peaceful place surrounded by nature and kind-hearted people. I am 17 years old and I'm proud of where I came from because I helped shape who I am today. I am currently studying at Balarasa National High School under the academic track UMS Strand and I'm now in grade 12. As a UMS student, I enjoy learning about people, society, and communication and understanding can make a difference in our world. I stand 5'7" tall and I'm a member of Assemble of God Church. My faith plays in a big role in my life, guides my action, strengthens my heart, and help me stay positive even during true times. When it comes to my personality, I describe myself as a friendly, respectful, and bit shy and purse, but once you get to know me, I can be talk, active, fun, and supportive. I like spending time with my friends, learning new things, improving myself every day. I believe that being kind, humble, and genuine is more important than trying to impress others. I have dreams and big goals that I'm working hard to achieve. I want to make my family proud and be someone who inspires others to never give up because no matter where you came or come from, how small your beginnings are, you can always grow and success with effort and faith. So that's a little about me, Arnold Ilangan Jr., a 17 years old dreamer from Palawan, a grade 12 student of Batarasa National High School, guide my faith and hope for the future. Thanks for listening and I hope you continue to join me on my journey. Thank you.